Unveiling Giants of the Sea, the world's most astonishing maritime machines. Are you aware that at least 11 billion tons of goods are transported by sea every year? That's an average of about 1.5 tons per person worldwide. With the world more globalized than ever, shipping is at the pinnacle of today's global cycle. In fact, in the European Union alone, about 80% of exports and imports are by sea. But what's even more astonishing is the projected growth of the global shipping market, reaching multi-million USD by 2029. So, get ready to witness the world's most astonishing maritime machines driving this incredible projection. This is Titan Tech Trends. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more fascinating content. 1. Pioneering Spirit. Built at the DSME shipyard in South Korea between 2011 and 2014, the Pioneering Spirit emerged as a monumental feat of engineering excellence. Commencing offshore operations in 2016, this colossal vessel made its mark with the removal of the 13,500-ton YME production unit offshore Norway, capable of hoisting entire platform topsides weighing up to an astonishing 48,000 tons, and jackets of up to 20,000 tons in a single lift. The Pioneering Spirit stands as the largest and most versatile offshore construction vessel in the world, but its legacy doesn't end there. In April 2017, the Pioneering Spirit shattered records with the single lift removal of Shell's iconic 24,000-ton Brent Delta platform topsides from the unforgiving waters of the North Sea. Just over a year later, in June 2018, the Pioneering Spirit again made headlines by executing the fastest installation of a large, fully completed topside. 2. OOCL Hong Kong. Delivered in 2017, she claimed the title of the largest container ship ever built at the time, and became the third container ship to exceed the monumental 20,000 20-foot equivalent unit TEU threshold. But her accolades didn't end there. OOCL Hong Kong proudly became the first vessel to surpass the 21,000 TEU mark, leading the charge as the lead ship of the esteemed G-Class. Crafted at the renowned Samsung Heavy Industries shipyard in Goji, South Korea, OOCL Hong Kong emerged with yard number 2172, a symbol of unparalleled engineering prowess. Christened and delivered in May 2017, she set sail just 2 months after the groundbreaking christening of the first ship to break the 20,000 TEU barrier, MOL Triumph. 3. Maersk's Triple E vessels. The Triple E vessels embody the 3 E's: economy of scale, energy efficiency, and environmental improvement. These colossal vessels are not only among the largest in the world, but also boast a capacity of 18,000 20-foot equivalent units, TEUs, enabling them to transport more goods than any other container ship in existence. What truly sets the Triple E vessels apart is their unparalleled energy efficiency, utilizing advanced propulsion systems, optimized hull design, and innovative waste heat recovery systems. These ships consume up to 35% less fuel per container compared to previous generations, significantly reducing their carbon footprint and operational costs. 4. Vale Brasil. The MS or Brasil, formerly known as the Vale Brasil, commands attention as a monumental achievement in naval engineering. Owned by the esteemed Brazilian mining company Vale, she stands as the flagship of a groundbreaking fleet of very large ore carriers. MS or Brasil is the pioneer among 7 400,000-ton very large ore carriers, VLOC, commissioned by Vale, crafted with precision at Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering in South Korea, and an additional 12 vessels from Jiangsu Rongshin Heavy Industries in China. Designed to traverse the Cape route around South Africa, these vessels serve a crucial role in transporting iron ore from Brazil to Asia. 5. Seawise Giant. The Seawise Giant was truly a marvel of engineering, measuring an astounding 1,504 feet in length and boasting a width of 225 feet. surpassing even the height of the Empire State Building. With a staggering deadweight tonnage of 564,763 tons, it could transport over 4 million barrels of crude oil. Despite its immense size, the Seawise Giant faced limitations in navigation, unable to traverse narrow passages like the English Channel, the Suez Canal, or the Panama Canal. Its colossal turning cycle of 1.86 miles and stopping distance of 5.6 miles underscored its primary function: sheer cargo capacity. For 7 years, the Seawise Giant served dutifully as a vital conduit for transporting crude oil until tragedy struck on May 14, 1988, when it fell victim to an attack by Iraqi fighter jets off Larak Island in the Strait of Hormuz. Yet the Seawise Giant did not end at the bottom of the sea. Resurrected, repaired, and renamed multiple times, it resumed its maritime duties, defying the odds and continuing its voyage across the seas. Ultimately, in 2010, the Seawise Giant met its final fate as scrap, leaving behind a legacy of unparalleled size. MSC Gulson. What makes the MSC Gulson outstanding is its substantial 62-meter breadth, allowing it to make history by accommodating a remarkable 24 container rows side by side. With a length of 399.9 meters, the MSC Gulson boasts an impressive load capacity of 23,756 20-foot equivalent units, TEUs, meticulously crafted by Samsung Heavy Industries and registered under the Panamanian flag. Equipped with a dual-tower fire suppression system, its design prioritizes a higher container carrying capacity while minimizing the overall carbon footprint. Upon its launch on March 9, 2019, the MSC Gulson proudly held the title of the world's largest container ship. However, with subsequent advancements in larger vessels, it now claims the 8th spot, yet its legacy of innovation and efficiency continues to shape the future of maritime transportation. 7. Blue Marlin. This incredible ship, owned by Dockwise Limited, isn't your typical cargo carrier. Instead of conventional goods, the Blue Marlin transports entire vessels and oil rigs across the seas. When the U.S. Navy needed to transport their stalled destroyer, USS Cole, they turned to the Blue Marlin for assistance. Similarly, the Australian Navy relied on the Blue Marlin to bring an aircraft carrier from Spain to their shores. The Blue Marlin's dimensions are truly staggering, stretching 712 feet in length and plunging 138 feet deep, boasting a deck space equivalent to 2 football fields. Powered by colossal 17,000 horsepower diesel engines, the Blue Marlin cruises at 13 knots. Its innovative design features a submersible deck, capable of disappearing under 13 meters of water to facilitate loading and unloading boats, oil rigs, and ships. 8. Dockwise Vanguard. Classified with a heavy lift vessel notation and categorized as a Type 0 vessel, the Dockwise Vanguard boasts a unique ability to be ballasted down, allowing cargo to be easily floated aboard. Once loaded, the ballast tanks are deballasted, raising the deck above the water surface to lift its colossal cargo. With a transport capacity of up to 110,000 tons, the Dockwise Vanguard can transport a wide range of offshore structures, including FPSOs, SEMIs, SPARs, and TLPs, with unparalleled precision and efficiency. 9. CSCL Globe. Despite sharing a similar size with the renowned Maersk EE class, the CSCL Globe boasts a higher capacity of over 700 TEU, reaching an impressive 19,100 TEU. Equipped with 2,000 reefer points for temperature-controlled cargo, it enhances profitability and operational flexibility, setting new standards in maritime transport. Being driven by a monumental low-speed MAN B&W 12S90 MEC Mark 9.2 engine, the largest engine ever built, towering at a height of 17.2 meters. This state-of-the-art two-stroke engine, constructed at HHI's engine building division, generates a staggering 69,720 kilowatts of power at 84 RPM. Though it has been derated, to 56,800 kilowatts for optimal performance. 10. Emma Maersk. As the flagship of the E-Class owned by AP Moller Maersk AS, Emma Maersk made waves when she was launched in 2006 as the largest container ship ever built at the time. In 2010, she and her 7 sister ships earned another accolade by becoming among the longest container ships in the world. Officially, Emma Maersk can carry around 11,000 20-foot equivalent units, TEU. But, depending on the definition, she can accommodate up to 14,770 TEU. In May 2010, her sister ship Ebba Maersk made headlines by setting a record of 15,011 TEU in Tanker Med Tangier. 11. CMA CGM Jax Saad. This technological marvel is not just the world's largest LNG-powered container ship. Still, it sets new standards in reducing maritime transport emissions utilizing liquefied natural gas, LNG, to significantly cut sulfur dioxide, fine particles, and nitrogen dioxide emissions, surpassing even the most stringent regulations. LNG also reduces CO2 emissions by up to 20%, aligning perfectly with the CMA CGM Group's ambitious goal of carbon neutrality by 2050. With a capacity of 23,000 containers, Jax Saad made headlines by loading 20,723 full containers, showcasing operational excellence. However, before we continue, make sure you like and subscribe to stay updated on when we upload new videos. 12. Nordic Giant. These tugboats are not your average vessels. They're part of the Night Design series by ILS Ship Design and Engineering, specifically crafted to conquer icy waters easily. For instance, an azimuth stern drive ASD harbor tug is one of the tugboats in this series, with the ability to tackle escort towing, ship berthing, ice breaking, oil spill response, and general towage. Boasting an overall length of about 40 meters, a mighty bollard pull of 43 tons, capable of breaking through 90 centimeters of ice at 2 knots, fueled by a total propulsion power of 3,600 kilowatts. The Nordic Giant series proves its mettle time and time again. 13. Thialf. Operated by Heerema Marine Contractors in the Netherlands, this behemoth of the seas boasts jaw-dropping dimensions, measuring a staggering 201.6 meters in length, 88.4 meters in width, and 49.5 meters in depth to the main workdeck, with a draft ranging from 11.8 to 31.6 meters. But here's where it gets awe-inspiring. Thialf's lifting capacity is a mind-blowing 14,200 tons, thanks to not one, but 2 towering cranes standing at a towering 95 meters tall. And get this floating giant isn't just about sheer power, it's also a home away from home for 736 people, complete with a helicopter pad for quick and convenient access, making it an absolute game changer for offshore construction projects. 14. Globetrotter-class drill ships. These engineering marvels, designed by Heisman, are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in offshore drilling. With groundbreaking concepts like the Heis drill design, these drill ships are revolutionizing the industry, slashing ship size by a whopping 46% and cutting operational costs. But as we know, no journey is without its challenges. In 2021, the Noble Globetrotter II faced a daunting setback, encountering an incident during temporary abandonment operations that led to oil spillage and damage. Yet, with state-of-the-art engineering at its core, the Noble Globetrotter II stands tall at a remarkable 620 feet in length, capable of drilling to depths of an astounding 40,000 feet. 15. Yara Birkeland. Yara Birkeland is a beacon of hope for sustainable and automated maritime transport. With state-of-the-art sensors, machine vision, and communication networks, the Yara Birkeland is leading the charge into the era of autonomous navigation. To top it up, what sets this vessel apart is its commitment to sustainability. By harnessing the power of a 6.8 megawatt-hour battery system, the Yara Birkeland is slashing emissions and paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. 16. Le Commandant Charcot. Operated by Compagnie du Ponant, Le Commandant Charcot is a Polar Class 2 rated ice-breaking vessel capable of reaching remote polar destinations like the geographic North Pole. But what's truly remarkable is its hybrid power plant, powered by liquefied natural gas, LNG, and electric batteries, enabling brief operation without engines running. With a Polar Class 2 ice rating, the highest for any purpose-built cruise ship, Le Commandant Charcot has a dynamic positioning system, onboard science labs, and safety equipment exceeding military standards. 17. MV Auto Eco and MV Auto Energy. MV Auto Eco and MV Auto Energy. These vessels are revolutionizing the car carrier sector by setting new environmental standards in vehicle transportation. MV Auto Eco, delivered in September 2016, is a pure car and truck carrier, PCTC, capable of transporting an impressive 4,000 vehicles. What boosts these vehicles is their dual-fuel engine technology, which can run on either liquefied natural gas, LNG, or heavy fuel oil, significantly reducing emissions compared to traditional fuels. 18. Wind of Change. This vessel is a monumental leap forward in offshore wind turbine installation. Chartered by Dominion Energy, this massive $500 million investment is equipped with innovative technology named after the Greek sea monster Charybdis. It features legs for stabilization in water depths up to 213 feet and a whopping 58,000 square foot main deck. Impressively, its crane is capable of lifting a staggering 2,200 tons. And the impact? Well, it's massive. The Wind of Change vessel supports the construction of Revolution Wind and Sunrise Wind projects, contributing to a projected 704 megawatts of power for Connecticut and Rhode Island homes. 19. Harmony of the Seas. Built by STX France, it is renowned for its innovative amenities and energy-efficient design. Standing as the fourth largest passenger ship globally, Harmony of the Seas boasts an impressive 2,747 staterooms and can accommodate a staggering 5,479 guests. However, its 7 distinct neighborhoods, including Central Park and Boardwalk, featuring attractions like the Ultimate Abyss Slide Complex, surf simulators, water slides, and swimming pools, make it exceptional. And not to mention 20 dining venues to satisfy every craving. 20. Symphony of the Seas. This Royal Caribbean vessel is a floating paradise, boasting multiple restaurants and bars, pools, water slides, theaters, a spa, a gym, and even a zip line. There's something for everyone on board. Beyond that, Symphony of the Seas focuses on luxury and entertainment, with amenities like glow-in-the-dark laser tag, surf simulators, and a park with over 40 species of plants, creating a serene atmosphere. But that's not all. Symphony of the Seas is leading the way in sustainability too, with a commitment to be zero to landfill and initiatives like eliminating plastic straws and reducing food waste by 50% by 2025. Conclusion. With these maritime machines, the shipping industry is seeing a boost. But what are your thoughts on this machine? We would love to hear from you in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Till next time, thank you for watching.